treasure, a superfood that I dearly love, Sacha Inchi. So I'm gonna put these little seeds in here and I'm gonna tell you all about this wonderful seed today. So I have partnered with the agency that promotes Peru, Prom Peru, to share today's calientes topic, Sacha Inchi, the health benefits, nutrition, and of course we're gonna make some delicious recipes. I'm gonna make solterito, which I'm gonna tell you what it is, and also an Inca trail mix that is so powerful. So what is Sacha Inchi? Well, Sacha Inchi is a superfood, a Peruvian superfood that grows in the rainforest in the Amazon of Peru. Yeah, actually the plant is a vein plant that looks like a star seed. That's why it's so beautiful. Even the plant itself is gorgeous. And within this star seed comes the little seeds. And this is the Sacha Inchi seeds. Well, let me tell you a little bit about Sacha Inchi history. Sacha Inchi has been growing and cultivated even before the Incas, way before the Incas, in two cultures, Mochica and Chimu. This is pre-Inca cultures, and we're talking what, 3,000, 5,000 years ago. So talk about Sacha Inchi being around in Peru, and this superfood is not new, maybe new in the United States, but not new for the world. So we're gonna read a little bit of Inca Garcilaso de la Vega, who is one of our writers, historians, Inca, the chronicle and wrote things about what happened during those times. And he wrote a book, and in one of his books is called The Royal Commentaries of the Incas. I'm gonna quote what he wrote about Sacha Inchi. There is another fruit that is born under the soil, and the Indians call it inchic, and the Spanish call it peanut. A very nice oil is taken out of the inchic to cure many illnesses. That to me is so powerful, because even back then they knew that Sacha Inchi had powers. So now you can find Sacha Inchi in the United States. You can find it in supermarkets, in Latino markets. You can go online and shop for Sacha Inchi. Now, Sacha Inchi comes in different forms. It comes in a seed form, like you see here, in an oil form. Also, I've seen Sacha Inchi powder, which is high in protein, and also have seen Sacha Inchi butter, which is like one of the almond butters, peanut butter, Sacha Inchi butter. Quite nice. I've tested it. It's delicious. You can find all of these on Amazon or iHerb on the supermarkets around. All right, so are we ready for the recipes? Let's get cooking, my friends. So I'm gonna make what we call in Peru solterito. Now, soltero means a single man. This recipe is so easy that any single man can make the salad. It's pretty much a Peruvian chopped salad. And it has, oh, and let me talk about solterito. In Peru, we normally tend to put little cute things like the little single man, or Manuelito, little Manuel. So that's a Peruvian thing that we like to do. And this is when, instead of calling it a soltero salad, we call it el solterito, the little single man salad. All right, so for el solterito, what we have is you can use fava beans or lima beans. I'm using lima beans here. And you can find this in any supermarket. I bought frozen lima beans. Then we're gonna add cherry tomatoes, and you can use regular tomatoes as well. And look at those colors, love the colors as usual. And then this is choclo. Now, choclo, let me see if you can see it there. Choclo is a Peruvian Andean maize, corn, is big corn. Let me show you here too. You can see that. So you can find choclo frozen in Latino stores, and like in San Francisco, I go to the Mission and I find it all the time in my Latino Mexican stores, and it comes frozen. Now, if you don't have choclo, or you don't have Latino stores near you, just add corn, yellow corn, frozen corn, it's fine. But since I have choclo, of course, I'm gonna add some choclo. to this salad. And then this is queso fresco, all right, for some protein there. And then here's the next ingredient is olives, but this is not just any olives. These are botija olives, and botija olives are from Peru. Also, you can find it on supermarkets, and also you can find it on Latino stores. So here you can see the olives, and these are different types of olives that I have here present. All right, and now we're gonna add some parsley, and everybody knows what parsley is, and then ají chili paste. Now the ají chili paste is from the ají chili pepper from Peru. Also, you can find ají chili paste in many stores now, and I'm gonna add about a tablespoon. I like my things to taste a little bit picante. Now the taste of ají is a yellow chili pepper. It has a little sweet tone, and also obviously it's a little picante as well. Now we are gonna end up here with red onions. This is a delicious salad to make, super easy again. This is just wine vinegar, and of course at the end I'm gonna add Sacha Inchi oil. Now, Sacha Inchi oil and seeds are known to have the highest amount of the plant-based omega-3s. Omega-3 is the fat that you find in fish. Well, this is the plant-based omega-3, and it's the highest amount on the planet. So it's a rich source of omega-3. Sacha Inchi oil and seed also have vitamin E, vitamin A, potent antioxidants. Both of those vitamins are potent antioxidants, and it has a nice balance between omega-9s and omega-6. So this is a powerful oil, Sacha Inchi oil, and again you can find this in some supermarkets around the United States, and definitely you can buy this online as well. All right, I'm gonna put that in here. We mix this well, and you can add salt and black pepper to taste, but again, since the queso fresco is already salty and the olives come with a little bit of salt in them too, so I don't add more. This is enough. All right, I'm gonna wait till the end to taste this thing, but look how beautiful this looks. This is so easy to make. You can pair this salad with fish, chicken, pork, beef, whatever you want. You can actually add quinoa to it. You can add potatoes to it. It's up to you, but this is the basic solterito salad recipe. Now, vegans and vegetarians can benefit from eating this oil and seed because it's a good way to get your omega-3s, by the way. All right, so now let's make the next recipe. There's another fact I want to tell you. Yeah, some researchers actually consider Sacha Inchi oil and seed an anti-inflammatory switch. Yes, because the omega-3 is so high that actually is a potent anti-inflammatory. And as we know, foods that can help with to fight inflammation or reduce inflammation can also help you reduce chronic diseases, the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, even some cancers. So this is a Peruvian superfood, Sacha Inchi seed. All right, so now let's make the next recipe. I'm gonna make an Inca trail mix. So for this recipe, I'm gonna use cacao nibs, pichu berries or golden berries, and of course the seeds, and some shredded coconut. Fairly easy. We're gonna equal amounts. We have a quarter cup of cacao nibs. Now cacao nibs are from the cacao seed that also comes from the Amazon, and it's rich in antioxidants and is known to help reduce risk of heart disease. So that's amazing. Then we're gonna add pichu berries. Remember pichu berries? I used to talk about pichu berries all the time. So this is golden berries, pichu berries, also a great superfood, rich in antioxidants as well, rich in iron, which is great, by the way, vitamin C, and some other anti-inflammatory phytonutrients as well. So we add a quarter cup of that. We got the shredded coconut. And lastly, I'm going to add the Sacha Inchi seeds. I'm going to put about a 1/4 cup too as well. Now, so the Sacha Inchi seeds, another great nutrition fact is that they have complete protein. For an ounce of these seeds, you get 9 grams of complete protein. Now, here's the thing that I love about these seeds. Tryptophan, the amino acid, the essential amino acid tryptophan, is found in higher amounts in these seeds. And tryptophan, by the way, it's a precursor for serotonin, and serotonin is a hormone, a neurotransmitter that actually can increase your mood. It makes you happy. So I'm telling you, this is amazing. So not only it protects your heart, it makes you happy too, and I'm all about that. So now, easy, you just mix your trail mix, and now you can enjoy the trail mix and take this to go, and it's a great snack of Peruvian superfoods. You're gonna feel all the Peruvian power, I'm telling you. I'm gonna actually taste. So the seed tastes very wholesome. It's like a nutty, roasted flavor. I love it. Even though it's quite big for a seed, it actually is a seed. So it's fantastic stuff. I love this stuff. All right, let me taste the salad too, because you know I'm all about tasting what I make. I love this solterito. So good. I'm gonna have a little bit of a corn. If you ever really try to find this chocolate that I'm telling you in a supermarket, wow. This is really amazing stuff, so easy to make and super nutritious with all this Peruvian power. It's quite amazing. Well, as you know, you can find me on social media in both languages, English and Spanish, on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, of course. If you're on Facebook and watching this, give me a like, make a comment, ask me questions, share the Peruvian love. If you're on YouTube, also do the same, and please subscribe to my channel. The button is down there. Just click subscribe and you'll be getting amazing nutrition information all the time. If you want to know more about myself, visit manuelvillacorta.com. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's caliente topic, Sacha Inchi seed and oil. Use it, you are going to love it. It's a great source of omega-3, remember that? Complete protein that can protect your heart and make you happy. All right, my friends, until next time, bye-bye now.